Alrighty guys, today we've got a real treat here. This would be the most redneck boat I've seen in a long time. It is called the Unsinkable 2. I imagine the Unsinkable 1 has already sunk, and this is why it's number 2. Quick rundown of this boat. It is a small fishing boat, as you can see. It has a very unique paint job. I don't know what this guy used to paint his boat and why it looks like there's jizz all over it, but it is hard paint, I guess. I believe maybe he tried to paint the boat blind, and when it was really cold. He has one engine, gas-powered engine. He has a second engine when that one fails. It's electric. And then, as you can see down below, he's got paddles as well, because surely the gas engine's gonna break, and so is the electric motor. But when he's tired of paddling, he does have a nice cot to lay on and sleep. And he does have a little bit of canopy shade there for him. A couple other interesting things. When you're redneck but you want to be a little bit gangster, look at that writing. That's fresh, custom, one of a kind. Last time he took the boat out, he didn't make it to the lake. The wheel fell off of the trailer. That has been fixed. Hopefully the other one stays on for this trip. He does have a nice igloo cooler for beverages, adult beverages. Hopefully he doesn't get too drunk, hit the sandbar. Everything else on the boat is actually pretty nice. He's got some pretty cool storages, one chair, and lots of extra gas, because I imagine this is a gas hog. But just wanted to give you a rundown on this very interesting boat and very interesting redneck paint job. Look at this. Oh, what is that? Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Take care, and hopefully have a good day.